All right, hi everyone. Today we're gonna be exploring probability. We're gonna be using a pair of dice. All right, probability is the understanding. It's the likelihood. Probability is about understanding the likelihood of different outcomes. And rolling dice. This is just a great way to see how to do it in action. So let's just get started. Okay. So we got a pair of standard dice. Each dice. I'm gonna get reading greens. Almost Christmas time. I'll get reading green. Each dice is numbered from 1 to 6. If you pick it up, you can see it's numbered from 1 to 6. When you roll both dice, you can get a different combination of numbers from between 1 and 12. So, with two dice, when you roll two dice, first of all, let me go back. Probability. Probability equals the number of favorite events over the number of total events. So remember that probability equals the number of favorite events over the number of total events. So let's talk about with two dice. So we got two dice here. If I just had one, the probability, the different number of outcomes I would only have 6 different outcomes. Since I have two, I would take those 6 possible outcomes and I will multiply by these 6 possible outcomes. That gives me a total of 36 possible outcomes. So with me rolling the dice, I have a possible chance of having 36 different outcomes. Okay, so you have 6 choices on the first, 6 on the 6. So that equals, like I said, a total of 36 possible outcomes. We can talk more about the probability of getting specific sums. All right. So for example, if I roll the dice, and I'm gonna just show you what I'm gonna show you when I roll the dice. Let's say the dice land on. I'm trying to get a 2. Let's say the dice land on 2. Let me see if you can see it. 1 and 1. It's only, so the number that I'm guessing that it's going to land on is 2. It's only one possible way if I roll these dice that I can get a 2 no matter what. It's only one possible way. So the probability that I would get a 2 rolling a 2 will be 1 over 36. It will be 1 over 36 because it's only one possible chance that I can get 2 by rolling both dice. Now, if I take it back, let's pick another number. Let's say I pick a number. Every 7 is the lucky number with that. So let's say I want to roll a 7. So I'm gonna use my whiteboard for this. The number that I want to roll is a 7. But I got different possibilities ways that I can get a 7 by rolling the dice. I can go. Let's start. 1 plus 6. That equals 7. 2 plus 5. That'll equal 7. 3 plus 4. That equals 7. Now, I flip it and do it all over again. 6 plus 1. That still equals 7. That's a chance I got when I roll the dice. 5 plus 2. That still equals 7. And also 4 plus 3. That still equals 7. So if I roll these two dice, these are all the possibilities that I have. I would put this number as my number of favorable events. So if I wanted to roll a 7, I got 6 different chances to roll a 7. I have 6 different chances to roll a 7. How many total outcomes is it when rolling two dice? We see it's 36 possible outcomes when rolling dice. So if I wanted to roll a 7, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 good chances to roll it out of 36. If I want to reduce the fraction, if I reduce the fraction and we'll divide by 6, we'll go 1. It'll equal 1 over 6. So I actually got a 1 in 6 chance of rolling a 7. Think of it like this. Imagine all the possible outcomes are equally likely. So if that makes sense. When you roll the dice, you're exploring one of 36 different chances that you can that the dice gonna land on what you want it to land on. So every number in here has a shot. But at the end of the day, it's 36 different opportunities. So I will leave you with probability as a way to understand the chances of different outcomes when rolling dice. And it's not just luck, even though some people think it is. It's not just luck. It's about understanding. It's about the math behind the game. So the next time you roll dice, hopefully you can remember something that have to do with the probability of it, and you can determine what your outcome will be. Thank you.